Hi, Stefan. These are your models. I additionally created the schedule showing the comments. So the position you will find here for analytical members. So the workflow is for previous script. So I take the name from robot, separate structural role and ID, select the elements by ID in Revit, and put the number into the comments parameters in the Revit. So exactly as the previous script. However, it is done without looking into Excel, but directly using Revit and Robot API through Dynamo. So this is the Dynamo script I'm using here. I will make it smaller to see all of the program windows. And this node is a heart of this script, so obtaining that data. It uses Iron Python 2, so probably you will need to install additionally the package for Iron Python 2 in Dynamo. But yeah, let's run the script and see the results. So as you can see, I obtained robot objects in Dynamo for Revit, and I have two of the parameters listed. So the number from robot and the name parameter value. Some of them does not have the Revit structural role and ID, so I filter it out from the transfer to not show any warning. And here you can select in which parameter you want to put the values. So for example, comments are of type string. So you need to prepare numbers so that they are string. So this is done here. And the numbers, as you see, they are orange, so they are strings. They will be transferred to the Revit analytical elements. And here is the selection of the Revit elements by ID. Setting the value of the parameter, and you can see now the parameters are filled, and I also added the tags in the view, so you can see the same numbers as in robot. So that's what the script does, and if it comes to the analytical object schedule, probably I need to create a separate one for analytical members and for analytical panels members. Yep. And now let me add comments and role structure role. Yeah, so you can see both structural role and comments, and we can do the same for analytical panels. So again, probably this is analytical panel. I'm not good in French. And yeah, you can see structural role and the ID from robot. And that's it.